A very warm welcome to all of you in your bio class. Students, in continuation of the previous video, in this video we are going to take up topic lithosphere from the chapter Natural Resources. Lithosphere includes the crust and uppermost mantle of the earth, which constitute the hard and rigid outer layer of the earth. The uppermost part of the lithosphere, which remains in contact with the atmosphere and hydrosphere through the soil forming process, is called pedosphere. Soil. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth crust. Soil is a mixture of small particles of different sizes, decayed living organisms called as humus, and various types of microscopic plants and animals. Soil is an important resource that decides the diversity of life in an area. Formation of soil. Soil is formed by breaking down of rocks through various physical, chemical and biological processes over long periods of time. Factors of soil formation. Let's see few factors. First one is the sun. The sun heats up rocks during the day so that they expand. At night, these rocks cool down and contract. Since all parts of the rock do not expand and contract at the same rate, this results in the formation of cracks and ultimately huge rocks break up into smaller pieces. Water. Water helps in the formation of soil in two ways. 1. Water could get into the cracks in the rocks formed due to uneven heating by the sun. If this water later freezes, it would cause the cracks to widen. 2. Sometimes flowing water wears away even hard rock over long periods of time. Fast flowing water often carries big and small particles of rock downstream. These rocks rub against other rocks, and the resultant abrasion causes the rocks to wear down into smaller and smaller particles. Water then takes these particles along with it and deposits it further down its path. Soil is thus found in places far away from its parent rock. Let's see role of wind. In a process similar to the way in which water rubs against rocks and wears them down, strong winds also erode rocks down. The wind also carries sand from one place to other like water does. Living organisms. Living organisms also influence the formation of soil. The lichen that we have already read about also grows on the surface of rocks. While growing, they release certain substances that cause the rock surface to powder down and form a thin layer of soil. Other small plants like moss are able to grow on this surface, and they cause the rock to break up further. The roots of big trees sometimes go into cracks in the rocks, and as the roots grow bigger, the crack is forced bigger. The type and quality of soil. The type of soil is decided by the average size of particles found in it, and the quality of soil is decided by the amount of humus and microscopic organisms found in it. Humus is a major factor in deciding the soil structure because it makes the soil more porous and allows water and air to penetrate deep underground. The mineral nutrients that are found in a particular soil depends on the kind of rocks it was formed from. The type of plants which will thrive in a particular soil is decided by the factors such as mineral content of the soil, amount of humus present, and depth of the soil. Let's see importance of soil. Soil is our life support system. It provides anchorage for roots, hold water, and also nutrients. Soil is also home of many microscopic organisms that fix nitrogen and decompose organic matter, and home of animals such as the earthworms and termites. So apart from providing home of animals, it also provides man with some essential construction and manufacturing materials. So we can say that soil plays a vital role in Earth's ecosystem. Soil pollution. Soil pollution is the removal of useful components from the soil and addition of such substances which adversely affect the soil fertility. Sources of soil pollution. Excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides over long periods of time makes soil infertile by killing soil microorganisms which actually recycle the nutrients in the soil and make the soil rich in humus. It also kills the earthworms which are instrumental in making the rich humus. Solid wastes from agricultural practices, industrial and commercial activities also cause soil pollution. These pollutants remain in the soil for a longer period of time and make it unfit for plantations. Electronic wastes that include discarded television, computer parts such as keyboard, etc., and the radioactive dusts also cause soil degradation. Topsoil. The topmost layer of the soil that contains humus and living organisms in addition to the soil particles is also called as topsoil. The quality of topsoil is an important factor that decides the biodiversity in that area. Next topic is soil erosion. Removal of the upper fertile layer of the soil is called soil erosion. It is one form of the soil degradation. Flowing water, rainwater, and the wind are the prime agents which cause soil erosion. Deforestation on larger scale also results in soil erosion. Because we all know that the roots of the plants hold soil particles together and prevent it from being blown away along with wind and water. So, if we want to check soil erosion, we must grow more and more plants. So children, with this we have come to the end of this video lesson. Till the next video, goodbye.